Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to do an oil change on a Mazda CX-7. This one is a 2007 model, but it's the same for all Mazda CX-7 with the 2.3 turbo engine. What you need to do, of course, is jack up the car or get the stands so you have more clearance, more room. And this is the oil filter made by Motorcraft FL2070B, and you need 6 quarts of oil, 5W30. We use Castrol synthetic, and you need pliers for the oil filter, 17mm socket for the drain plug, 10mm socket with a ratchet for the bolts that hold the cover, the engine, underneath the engine cover. So what you need to do if you want to replace the oil filter, and I definitely recommend doing that, you have to take this plastic off, the whole thing. So what you need to do, there is 2 bolts on the side, one here, one on the other side, and there is one here, one in the corner, one down there and one more there. So it's 8 bolts with the 10mm socket that we need to take off. Okay, 1 bolt there and one in the other corner at the same place. And the engine cover comes right off. If you have an oil leak, which is a common thing on that Mazda, you can check our channel, we have the video, or click on the link below how to fix that oil leak. So what we need to do now is drain the oil. Okay, next thing that we need to do, with a 17mm socket, we need to take the oil drain plug, which is located on the rear side of the oil pan, and you need to get a bucket or some kind of device. You need to get a bucket to collect the old oil so you don't make a mess, and we can recycle it. And this one, I have the feeling that it will be pretty black. Yeah. Okay, we're done draining the oil, so now you need to put the oil plug back on, and make sure you get it tight now, don't leave it for later, otherwise you might forget, and if the oil drain plug is loose, you lose it, you run out of oil, and the engine is done pretty much. So get it tight. Okay, the oil filter is on the front side of the engine. Or let me show you, this is the cap right here. Under this plastic cap, that's where the paper oil filter is located. So with pliers or with a wrench that size, you need to take that plastic cover off. It's gonna make a mess, so again you need a bucket or something to collect the oil that's going to leak out of the plastic cap. Okay, right here, this is the filter. So you just pull it out of there, like that. Okay, the new filter comes with a seal for the cap, so we can replace this one. Just gently remove it with a knife. Even if you cut it, it's okay. And now this is the new seal that comes with the filter. So just place it on the cap, like that. And this is the filter, right here. It doesn't matter which way it goes, up, down, just like that. And now we're ready to screw it back on the oil filter housing. Okay, we put the filter with the cap on the oil filter housing, and now you need to get it tight. You might need to put a little bit of oil on the oil seal so it goes easy. And this way it won't get stuck when you try to remove it later for another oil change. So get it a little easy, and then just a little bit with the pliers, but don't get it too tight. Okay, that should be good right there. Okay, now we need to get the oil, and that's where the oil cap is, right there on the passenger side, and you need to get a funnel so you don't spill and make a mess and later it's gonna smoke and smell. And again, 6 quarts of oil if you replace the filter, which is 5.7 liters. And we just add the oil now. Okay, after you add the oil, you need to put the cap back on, don't forget that. You need to start the car for a couple seconds so the filter gets the oil and we can pull the dipstick and see the accurate oil level. Let it stay for a little bit, then you open this cap right here, that's where the dipstick is located. You pull it out, wipe it, and then put it back on and see how much oil it should be between minimum and maximum. Don't overfill it, because if you put too much oil in the engine, you might cause damage to the converter. Okay, ours, you can see it's 2/3, so it's perfect. That's how we do the oil change on Mazda CX-7 2.3 gas engine. If you have any questions, please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.